Hi, this is PC Watts with The Right of Way. Do you know that it is important to wear your seatbelt? As required by law, all persons, once you're driving inside of a vehicle, whether you're the driver or you're in the front seat or the rear seats, you are required by law to wear your seatbelt. In addition, any child under the age of 14 who is in a vehicle and if stopped by the police, the driver of that vehicle is responsible for those persons who are 14 years or younger. So it is important when you're driving to always wear your seatbelt because seatbelt saves lives. There are, however, exemptions when you don't have to wear your seatbelt. Those exemptions are if you are doing delivery within close proximity, and if you are reversing, or if you have a medical exemption certificate. Now, the medical exemption certificate is only for the person who is driving the vehicle. It doesn't take long, so buckle up, stay safe, always wear your seatbelt. PC Watts, and that is the right way.